Earlier this week, we set up a smart bird feeder to watch the birds, and ever since, we've been learning and working on ways to attract new species of birds. So today, we're giving the birds more to do and setting up a smart bird bath so they can get fresh drinks and dip their wings. And it comes shipped to your door, ready for you to get your bird watching on as well. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a solar panel to charge your camera, and a solar panel mount, a camera housing, as well as the frame, a charging cable, hardware, your bird bath, and then your camera. To get started, open the waterproof seal and turn on the camera. Take off the front of the camera housing and slide your camera in. Then put your cover back on to hold your camera in place. Then feed your solar panel cable through the frame and plug it into the camera. Then slide in your camera and camera housing into the frame until it clicks into place. Then you can slide the frame into the bird bath and lock that down. Fill it with water, and I'm adding some rocks to make a nice little beach area for some more standing room. Then it's almost ready to go. But first, I tried adding a fountain to the bird bath, but the sprayer was a bit too powerful. So instead, I added it to my custom bird bath and placed this bird bath nearby and aimed the camera in that direction. Now the trickling water should attract some birds and let them know we have fresh water for them. Additionally, I sprinkled some seeds around the stand and waited. Sure enough, we had birds in minutes. At first, they were interested in the seeds. And as we learned from our smart bird feeder, the cardinals here love sunflower seeds. You can see them really working, trying to get each and every one. Then after they worked up a thirst, they hopped up on the bird bath and gulped down some water. I would also notice them dipping their tail feathers in the water. Not entirely sure if this was on purpose, but they did it a lot. This time though, seemed to spook him. He shot off into the distance, but then he came back for some more food and water. I caught some clips of smaller common birds, and they had a lot to say. Then a family of blue jays came to visit, and this was so cool to see. They were flying all over in the background and taking turns getting water. It's also worth mentioning that the camera is waterproof, and thankfully so, because I caught the cutest clip of these cardinals. They were literally kissing in the rain. So after watching them for a bit, I noticed that the water might be too deep, so I gradually added some more rocks, trying to make it more accessible. I sprinkled some sunflower seeds on the center island and had cardinals there in minutes. I could pretty much summon them with sunflower seeds now. It's wild. But after seeing them dip their feathers in little by little and getting drinks, I think they'll like this setup better. They can get in as deep of water as they want and not have to get submerged to clean. Slowly I'm learning what these birds like, and I'm hearing them outside my windows in the morning more and more. They sing a melody of happy songs. All different birds with different chirps, but it sounds so nice to wake up to, knowing that they've enjoyed my offerings. The app on the smart bird bath is nice too. I'm able to scroll through playback and pick exactly what I want to see. The AI does a pretty good job identifying the birds as well. Not to mention, that camera quality is so good. I love how sharp the focus is and those pops of colors on the birds. And because of the smart bird bath, I'm learning so much about our birds and discovering what they like. So if you're looking to do some bird watching from the comfort of your home, maybe you need a smart bird bath, and this one from TTNature might just be for you. Till next time, I'll have to go build some bird houses. See ya!